What's up guys, welcome to Flex on Decks for Kids, and today we're going to be doing our first workout together, our very first workout today. Just to the adults, I know I've promised that this workout would be live, but due to YouTube's subscription regularities, with me recording this off a mobile device, I require 1,000 subscribers to record off of a mobile device live. So I have pre-recorded this, but that's not an issue. We can still go out, crack this workout and get the kids busy. So to all your children, get ready to work out because we're going to have a lot of fun now. To start this exercise, we just want to shake our arms, dance around, have a bit of fun, turn in circles, look at the sky, touch the sky, and get everything nice and loose, guys. Because we're going to go out and we're going to start our warm-up now. Guys, a warm-up is extremely important because without a warm-up, we're going to hurt our muscles and we're going to hurt our bones. And if we go out and we hurt our muscles and we hurt our bones, we're not going to be able to go and play outside with our friends, with our cousins, and with our family. So guys, we're going to start our warm-up now, and it is very important that before any exercise, you do a warm-up. So to start off our warm-up, we're going to be doing circles, small circles, medium circles, and big circles. We're then going to go into putting our bum and trying to touch our bum on the floor, and then right after that, we're going to go and play spiders to toes. So you guys, I'm going to be doing it first, and then after that, I'm going to be watching you guys to make sure that you guys are doing it better than what I am. So to start off, guys, I want you to put your feet together, put your arms up, almost like a scarecrow, and we're going to do little circles forward with our arms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you guys are counting. 7, 8, 9, 10. Arm to the side and back to the scarecrow, and we're going to do medium-sized circles now, and I want to hear you guys counting. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. You should feel it in your shoulders, guys. And arms to the side, arms up like the scarecrow, and we're going to make bigger circles you can make now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like a windmill. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so guys, I have done it now, and I want you guys to do exactly the same. But what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be watching you do it. I'm not going to be doing it with you. So remember, guys, we're going to be doing small, medium, and big circles. So if you remember, when you start with your hands on your side, stand like a scarecrow, and in 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, hands on your sides, guys. And like a scarecrow, medium-sized circles. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should be feeling your shoulders, guys. 9, 10, last one, and we're down to our big circles, guys, big circles. And hands on your side, stand like a scarecrow, big circles, guys. And in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. There we go, guys, that's it. We are finished with our circles. Can you feel it in your shoulders? Because I can feel my shoulders burning. They are on fire. It's a very good job, guys. Now we're going to go down and we're going to try and do squats. We call them squats. Why do we squat? It's almost like we're sitting on the toilet, to be very honest. So what you're going to do is you want to try and put your bum on the floor. We're going to start with our feet nice and wide. We're going to bend our knees. Guys, it is very important to make sure your back is straight because you don't want to injure your back. With injuries, remember, we can't go outside and play. Feet apart, back nice and straight. And you're going to try and put your bum on the floor. With your hands in front of you. Are you ready? We're going to do 10 of them. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep the back straight. 5, 6. There we go. 7. Your legs burning. 8. Sit on the toilet. Sit on the toilet. 9. Please sit on the toilet again. 10. Okay. So I've had my turn. Now it's your guys' turn. Again, you guys are going to be doing it all by yourselves. All by yourselves. Are you ready to go? And in 3, 2, make sure your back is straight. 1, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Try and put that bum on the floor, guys. 9, last one, 10. And we're done, guys. You have put your bum in the toilet 20 times right now. 20 times, guys. Very impressive. Very impressive. I'm sure mom and dad will be proud of you, eh? Next one we're going to go, we're going to play spiders to toes. Spiders to toes, guys. And how we're going to play spiders to toes is we've got to get your 2 spiders to your toes. So where we're going to start then, we're going to start with the spiders on your tummy. Spiders on the tummy, and we're going to run down to our toes. And a very cool thing about a spider is it can come all the way back up. Start on the tummy, and off we go. Spider to the toes, and back to the tummy. 1, 2, we're going to do 5 of these, guys. 3, 4, keep the spider busy, keep the spider busy. Spider can't rest, last one. 5. Now it is up to you guys to get the spider to your toes. My spiders are tied. Your spiders aren't tied. It is up to you guys to get the spiders to your toes. Are you guys ready? Remember where to start? Spider on the tummy. And in 3, 2, 1. There goes the spider. There goes the spider. Make sure the spider touches its toes. And here comes the spider. And 2. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Oh, back to the tummy. And 3. There it goes, there it goes. I can see your spider. And to your tummy. And 4. There it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Get it down there, get it down. And back up, back up, back up, back up. And last one, guys, last one. Spider on the tummy. And there we go. 1, 2, 3. And let it bring up. Let it come back up. That's it, guys. That is our warm-up. Are we feeling loose? I'm feeling loosey-goosey. Are you guys feeling loose? Jump around a little bit, shake your arms, dance in a circle. I'm out of breath. I'm out of breath. Okay, guys, you got to make sure now the important part is coming. I need you to listen. I need you to listen. On our heads, we have beautiful things called ears, and they are there for us to listen. I need you guys to make sure you are listening to me, because our exercise is going to start now. I'm out of breath. Okay, so first things, guys, I just want you to start off by standing with your hands on your side. Put your hand on your heart and take 5 very deep breaths through your nose, and then breathe out your mouth. So feel your heart, feel your heart. 1, 2, like a vacuum cleaner. 3, 2 more. 4, last one, guys, last one, make sure. There we go, guys. Our body has now warmed up, our heart is relaxed, and we are ready to exercise. Are we ready, guys? And that's us, guys. Let's get ready for exercising now. Okay, guys, exercises are starting now. We're going to be doing 3 exercises, and we're going to be doing 3 jumps. Those exercises are 3 very, very, very fun jumps. First jump is the star jump. The second jump is going to be a cool froggy jump. And the third jump is the tippy toe jump. So guys, star jumps, froggy jumps, tippy toe jumps. We're going to be doing 10 of each. 10 of each, guys. I want you to count with me. Okay, for the star jumps, feet together, hands on your side. And when you guys get to the top, I want to hear you clap. Clap as loud as you can. Go and wake mom up, go and wake dad up, go and wake the brother. Wake the whole house up, wake the neighborhood up. I want to hear you clap as loud as you can. Okay, and in 3, 2, 1, star jumps. 1, 2, count, guys. 3, 4, 5, clap, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, guys, there we go. Star jumps done. Now we're going to go into froggy jumps. Remember, guys, keep your back straight. Froggy jumps, and you want your froggy to hit the roof. Try and touch the roof. Try and touch the sky. And hands on the floor. 1, 2, we're doing 10, 3, 4, 5. Keep your back straight. 6, 7. Touch the roof. 8, 9. One more. 10. Hands on your side, guys. Tippy toe jumps. Tippy toe jumps. Hands on your side. Try and touch the roof. Try and touch the roof. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's us, guys. Woo! Good job, guys. Good jobs. We're going to do that one more time. Start off quickly. Let's calm the heart down. Let's relax a little bit. Feet together. hands on your side, and I want you to show me how to calm my heart down and how to breathe. So I'll give you a clue. Almost be like a vacuum cleaner, and it's just going to make you relax. And start with our feet. Show me how to do it, guys. Show me how to do it. Show me how to do it. That's how you do it. Hand on your heart. Close your eyes. Feel the heart. And 1. I want to hear your vacuum cleaner. 2. I can't hear it. I can't hear it. 3. Calm down. Calm your heart. 4. Last one, guys. Last one. I'll do it with you. Big vacuum cleaner. 5. I feel better now. I feel better and I feel ready to jump again. So are we ready, guys? 5-star jumps. 5-star jumps. And then right after we do another 5-star jump. So it's 10. 5 plus 5 gives us 10. 10-star jumps. And in 3, 2, 1. Go. Clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clap. 10. That's it, guys. 10 jumps. Now we're going to do your froggy jumps, guys. Remember, keep your back straight. You don't want to hurt your back. Touch the sky. Get your froggy to touch the sky. And in 3, 2, 1, go. 1, touch the floor. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch the ground. 9, keep your back straight. Last one, guys. Last one. I'll do it with you. 10. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Tippy toe jumps. Hand next to your side. Touch the sky on your tippy toes and give us 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10. That's it, guys. Very good job. Very good job. I hope you're not tired like I am. That's what happens when you get old. That is why you got to exercise, guys, so you don't get tired like I do. Woo! So to finish us off, just take 2 deep breaths, guys. Hand on your heart. You want to feel all the air go right through your body, even into your toes. And 1, last one, 2. Okay, guys, that is the exercise. Now it is time for story time. It is time for story time now. And it's about 3 bears. Guys, we have a family of 3 bears that we've got to go and get food for now. We're going to run into the forest and go and get them all food. Okay, are we ready, guys? First things, we need to run into the forest. And to run into the forest like a bear, we need to go into our hands and our knees first. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put our bum up in the air a little bit. Are you ready to run? 1, 2, run as fast as you can. 3, run. 1, 2, 3, run, guys. 4, 5, run. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, guys, we need to sit down quickly. We found all the food, guys. I found all the food in the forest. So what we need to do now, guys, is because we've gone and we've run all the way to the food, we quickly need to touch our toes. 1, 2, we just need to stretch a little bit, otherwise we're going to get injured. 3, put your feet together and put your knees on the floor. 1, like a butterfly. 2, 3. Okay, now we're ready to pack the food into our bag, guys. So we've got all the food next to us, and what we need to do is, our job is to get the food into our bag. That is what we need to do. So what I need you guys to do now, put your legs flat on the ground, put your back nice and straight, so you're going to sit like this, and you're going to take the food and put it in the bag. But I need you guys to move your whole upper body. So we're going to do 10 packets. 10 packets, guys. 1, 2. Remember to move your whole body. 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 6. These are hungry bears. 7, 8. Last one. 9. One more. 10. Okay, guys, we have 10 packets of food for this family. So what we need to do now is we need to put the packets on our back so that we can take the food home. But remember, we can't run home because we're going to have food on our back. And if we run with food, we're going to drop the food and we're going to have to pick it all up again. So I want you guys to go on your hands and knees again, like that. Put your bum in the air, make sure your back is flat, and I want you to put the bags on your back. 1, 2, okay, we've got the bags. And now we need to walk, guys. We're going to be walking to the house. You're going to take 3 steps forward, 3 steps back. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, and backwards. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're nearly at the house. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, take the food off. There's 1, 2, and we can sit down. Now what we need to do is we need to take the food and put it in the house. So we're going to take the food from this side and put it in the house that's this side. And remember to keep your back straight. 10 packets, guys. I want to hear you counting. 1, 3, 4, 5. Is your back straight? Is your back straight? Is your back straight? 8, 9. Last one, guys. Last one. This is a heavy one. It's a very heavy one. I've got to scoop this one. 9. Yeah. 10. Woo. Bears eat a lot of food. They eat a lot of food. So that's us, guys. We've managed to go and help this whole family of bears. They didn't have food, and because of your help, we have managed to get this whole family of bears food. So thank you very much, guys. It is so good to love and help other people, and if you can, you need to go out and do it. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you've had fun, and I'll see you tomorrow. Tell mommy, tell daddy, tell your auntie, your uncle, your granny, your cousin to like the video, to share the video, and to subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye now.